Did you know that you can get extra time at a Disney park? That is when you book a Disney hotel. Let us tell you how extra magic time works. Stay tuned to find out. Welcome to your ticket to Disneyland Paris. Hey guys, if you are new to this channel, my name is Marieke and welcome to our channel Magical Vacation Guide. This video is all about what extra magic time means, how you get it, what you need to take into account too, and we share tips and strategies. With extra magic time, you can visit the parks before they officially open. Basically, it's free time at the parks before the parks open. That means meeting more Disney characters, shorter queues for the most popular attractions, and more Disney park time. You get exclusive access to parts of the Disney parks before other visitors enter. Well, how do you get it? Well, if you spend the night in a Disney hotel, you will benefit from extra magic time in the parks every day when it's offered. You don't have to do anything extra, it is included into your ticket. Check out our website or Disneyland Paris website to find the opening hours of both parks, including extra magic time. So you are a guest at a Disney hotel when you stay at one of the following hotels: Disneyland Hotel, Hotel New York Art of Marvel, Newport Bay Club, Sequoia Lodge, Hotel Cheyenne, Hotel Santa Fe, and Davy Crockett Ranch. And now you're probably thinking, but if I have breakfast at the hotel, will there be enough time for me to hit the parks? Yes. Hotels usually offers breakfast from 7 a.m. in the morning. Try to be there at that time, so you have plenty of time for a nice and easy breakfast. And a bonus, it is probably less crowded at the breakfast buffet. If you don't have breakfast including in your stay, we suggest to eat a snack on the way to the parks or grab something at Starbucks or the Earl sandwich. And have breakfast after extra magic time. Also, when you have a certain annual pass for Disneyland Paris, you can also hit the parks a little before the crowds. There are 4 possible annual passes available: Discovery, Magic Flex, Magic Plus, and Infinity. With Magic Plus and Infinity, it is possible to hit the parks with extra magic time. What do you need to know about extra magic time? Well, firstly, you need to remember that not both parks are open for extra magic time every day. Sometimes only one park is open an hour earlier. If you want to know which park is open for extra magic time for a certain day, make sure to check the park hours on the website of Disneyland Paris or go to our website to see the opening hours and extra magic time. Also remember that not every ride or shop will be open during extra magic time. The choice for rides and shops is limited. The selection of rides open during extra magic time are usually the more popular rides with longer lines during the day, such as Peter Pan's Flight and Big Thunder Mountain. If you want to enjoy these rides without the waiting line, extra magic time is perfect, but do remember that the choice and selection of rides that are open during extra magic time may vary throughout the year. When you get at the entrance of Disneyland Park or Hollywood Studios, make sure to look if you are standing in the right line. One line is for early guests and one line is for extra magic time. The last time we were there, it was the line all the way to the right for Disneyland Park. And you don't have an extra magic time ticket, it is included on your magic pass. As a bonus, we share some strategies and tips for you we have experienced. First, make sure that you are on time. Be 15 minutes early, so be there at 8:15 a.m. The lines to get into the parks are not long, but they are time consuming and everyone arrives at 8:30. That way, you have more time in the parks. Because you do want to ride certain rides during that extra magic time. Our tips to ride during extra magic time in Disneyland parks are Big Thunder Mountain and Peter Pan's Flight if running. The waiting times for both these attractions are really long during the day. Especially Peter Pan's flying is not worth the wait, but it is a must do during your stay at Disneyland Paris. Just after the extra magic time or one of the other two attractions isn't open during extra magic time, make sure to head out to Discoveryland for Buzz Lightyear. In our experience, Buzz Lightyear gets crowded around 10. If you go to Walt Disney Studios Park, there is only one real option to do during that extra magic time. Get on Crush Coaster. Those waiting times during the day are ridiculous. Good options as well are RC Racer, Tower of Terror and Ratatouille. If running, of course. If you're watching this after Avengers Campus has been open, I bet that the rides on Avengers Campus are crowded too. It is important to make a plan before heading out for extra magic time to get the most out of your time. A third really good option is meeting characters. During the day, the waiting times for meeting characters are really long too, and that way you have met everyone and get to spend the rest of the day on rides and entertainment. And last but not least, if you like making photos and memories, during that extra magic time it is perfect because it is least crowded in the parks. It's a great time to snap some pictures for Instagram or for at home. Main Street USA and the front of Sleeping Beauty Castle are nearly as crowded during the day. The same goes for Place de Remy or World of Pixar and probably Avengers Campus in the future in Walt Disney Studios Park. As you can see, it's midday and it's getting really crowded, so I'm glad that we took our extra magic time this morning so we could ride like Buzz Lightyear, Hyperspace Mountain, Peter Pan, because they're really crowded right now. What are your thoughts on it? Is it worth it or do you prefer to stay in bed? Let us know down in the comments. If this video has helped you, give us a like and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to visit our website and our socials. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye, see you next time.